In this video, we will learn how to manage a process instance and execution based on the context of the application. For this demo, let's continue with the same example of the automated management process and create a process instance on top of it. We will look into actions such as suspend a process instance, resume and reactivate a workflow. Let's now go to the Postman collection and start by creating an instance for the automated management process. You can now see that we have created a process instance. Let's copy this ID. Let's now use the process ID copied and add it into the path variable. You will notice the body has only one single action, which is the option suspend. Let's now make the API call and trigger the suspension of the process instance. You will see now that the execution has been successful as the field suspended appears as true. This means the process instance has been placed on hold and not executed. Moving forward, if you wanted to reactivate the execution process, you simply change the field to activate and provide the instance ID on the API. Once the action is back to activate and the API is executed, you will see that the workflow is back from the suspended state. It is not suspended, as the field false shows. The workflow is now back to activate and can continue with the following parts of the process. And that's it. That's how we manage process instances, how we suspend them, and how we activate them back. For more information on this and other services, please go to developer.opentext.com.